This is my 88 twin turbo Mustang taking it for its first drive, and my co-pilot will videotape it. Recording? Okay, we're gonna go over. Our steering's getting a bit weak there. It's okay. I'll put this in afterwards. Just a quick drive around the block. Because I have no insurance, no front bumper, nothing on it. Gauge a bit there, if you can really see that. I don't know if you can. £5 right there. Woo, go quick. Like I said, this is my first drive with it. First time out. Definitely it's making boost, so everything's working, blow-off valve's working. This is a cxracing twin turbo gt35 kit, 900 horsepower. I'm only running 8 pounds boost. I got up to 5 there real quick, nothing too crazy. I'll have more video of it later. Just taking this as a first drive out with it. I got some things to adjust, tuning and stuff like that, but it's the first ride, so I'm glad it's actually working pretty good. Thanks everyone.